Well guys, much as I expected, Dorney Park has now topped off Iron Menace this week. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. Wow. Just amazing. It looks so great in the park skyline, just like I was talking about last week. But this thing is going to dominate this section of the park. This and Steel Force. So if you guys are liking these construction updates, I kindly encourage you guys to go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, as I will post these every single time there's something new or exciting going down here at the Dorney Park site. I tend to upload these construction updates weekly at the rate Dorney Park has been building Iron Menace. But yeah, a lot of fun stuff. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, as there's a lot to come. So in the next upcoming weeks, I imagine the pieces down in the lot over there, we should be seeing the drop completed. I'd imagine either the next week before the New Year's, and then the Immelman and all the other inversions probably after the New Year. I'm thinking mid-February for a construction complete track work. And then, like I said last week, theming will be March and April. And then Dorney Park opens in May. And well, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Iron Menace construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, a lot of progress going on down here. Hopefully in the next upcoming weeks we see the drop completed. And then, like I said, probably a little bit after the new year, we should start seeing the rest of the layout come together. But like I said, there's a lot to come, so be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date. You can also click the bell, and as soon as I post these videos, you will be the first to know about it. Alright guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.